Traffic update at 6 a.m. PST August 1st. And Gil has strengthened to around 55 knots. Expected to become a hurricane later today, moving west-northwestward around 10 knots. Yeah. Here's the track as of early this morning. Expected to move west-northwestward. Then back more to the west later in the forecast period, which is in line with the models. Especially stating, even when it weakens, bends back to the west, expected to head north of Hawaii in the really long term, maybe in 7 to 8 days. We'll have to see. And since the models have backed off, I mean, making it pretty much strengthening it for maybe another 12 to 24 hours, then weakening it. And they don't even say hurricane anymore, maybe 60 knots. Maybe it's still because of hurricane. We'll have to see. Here's a picture of Gil. Then we're going to look at ion, which, what can I say, is a lot less organized. LC is about right here. Convection to the east of the center. Let's take a look at it. Iona has 55 knot winds. And it's going to move west-northwestward and stay out to sea. Yeah, which is within the models. Not expecting to weaken or strengthen. Pretty much, it's going to do it. It's going to do its thing. It's going to cross the international date line in the next day or two. Yeah. Now we're going to look at the west of the Eastern Pacific. Yeah, 92 E. I mean, C has 0% chance of formation. It is not going to form. And longer term, we got another system going to form off Mexico. Has 30% in the next 48 hours, 80% in the next 7 days. And longer term, still, we got another 20% system at 7 days. So very active Eastern Pacific. I mean, there you go. Incredible. Anyways, we can look at the models. And there's 48 hours. There's 72 hours. Our other system starts forming. 96 hours. This is GFS. CMC shows the other system 102. ECMWF is actually stronger. Let's go to 120. Yeah, 997. Yeah. I think this is the other system on the CMC right there at 120. Just off Basque and off Shannon Pack. GFS shows both systems. Let's go to 144. Yeah, shows both systems. I'm going to say 40% for this system. And about an 80% chance for this system of formation. Yeah. 168. Still shows both systems. This one's about ready to cross into the Central Pacific, for fuck's sake. Yeah. 192. Yeah. This isn't crossing the Central Pacific. This system's weakening. As for the Atlantic, I don't expect anything to form. There's 72 hours. Outside maybe a weak trough along the East Coast. And about 2 to 3 days we head northeastward out to sea. But doubtful. Very doubtful. But the CMC shows it. The GFS shows it. and 96 hours. Yeah, I'd actually leave it at about 10. That's a decent amount of support. But elsewhere, we don't expect anything to form during the next 7 days. Literally nothing. This one's 74 on the CMC GFS. Nothing. And that's just the way it is. Well, that's what a hell of a start in August. We'll show you the satellite picture. Maybe the start of that system off the East Coast right there. Elsewhere, literally nothing.